It's the other one. Trash one. Troy built self-propelled 725. Old gas, water. Gotta replace this whole carpet. There ain't no cleaning it. I just bent the little choke trying to open it. Won't open. Won't open or close. So we're gonna just take this copper right off. Back. Yeah, we getting this. We got a little sign in the background, but it's the carburetor taking it off. The other one on there, we do a little start before it get dark. Right. New carburetor. Old carburetor. Put it on here. So we put the carburetor on there. The pull string came over. We're trying to start it up, so we're gonna replace that. Let's see if we can fire it up. A little cool out here, but we're just gonna try to get this done. Let's see. That's a new carburetor right there. We're gonna clean it up too. We'll get all this stuff put back on here. Give you the update. I'm gonna pull this pull string with a cover off. Be back. Just pulled this one out. This is the one that had broke. Saw wire and stuff. It's gonna break again. So we got this right here from the spare part motors that don't run and it's locked up. So pulled the little whole cord. Pretty much new. So just gonna pull this one through here. Burn this real quick. So we'll come out and reassemble this and see where we could go with it. Start. Be back when I reassemble this. Go from there. There's the start. Put some more gas in there. Cut this front yard. That's good. Clean it up. Take pictures. Throw it on the market. Yeah, we just cut the front yard. Well, it cut pretty good. Went pretty good. I'm gonna put it on the market. We'll use this other one and cut this back. I can show you what it did. Walk to the front. Hold on. That's what it did right here. Got pretty good. Pretty good.